Hey guys, it's Haley from Nick and Kids, and today we are in our famous toilet, and I've already cleaned the countertop. So today we're gonna be like playing with slime and fixing my very sticky slime. But we can't play slime without sticky though, so we're gonna fix it then play. This slime is super sticky. Let me tell you how to identify how sticky your slime is. So, what do you mean by sticky slime? Sticky slime means like the very wet consistency. Something like that. See, it's super wet. It will leave a stain. So, don't worry that. That's not a problem. So, we can actually fix this, guys. And you have glitter on it because it's kind of really purple and it's not just there. And be teaching us like do it. So the ingredients you might need is put my back first, and as you can see, it's super duper sticky. Look, then you can see. So put everything aside. Let's get begin. So the ingredients you will need is like a butter, the fork, and a freshener, and liquid starch. For the first thing you need is you will take your like Eric, then you put Eric and make sure you can squeeze it in. Squeeze it in. Mine's finishing, so yeah. I'll be squeezing it. Yeah, I can see it coming up. If you can see it, it's coming. Okay, just kind of fill up. So yeah, that's kind of fill up. So I'll be right back. So yeah, I'm back, and I'm gonna save all of this into I've got the container, and I'll be saving this into this container because I scared it's too much. Look. So I'm gonna add liquid starch to this. I'll be back. So I added lots of liquid starch in here, as you can see. Really hard to see. Sorry, the lighting is a bit bad, like quality for light is really bad. Okay, if you can see. So yeah, what you do with the slime is take part of the slime and pour out the liquid starch from the air freshening in. Then what you do is take your mini tool and mix it around really fast. It's not actually fast, no, it's just really going very fast. Then after that, just touch it like that. Then after that, touch it. Okay, it's still sticky, but don't worry. It's supposed to be like that, but you make sure you feel that it has improved. So yeah, be right back. So I put my hand and let's pour the whole thing out. I will tell you why I must pull the whole thing out. The reason you must pull the whole thing out is not because you need to pull with it. It's because you need to like make it really like stretch it like that, really open it right, so that you can get all the air freshener and liquid starch into like all the places. I guess like put the fork like that, it will like, I don't know. Okay, done. So then we're gonna add the remaining liquid starch. This is liquid starch. Did I show you the bottle I put inside the liquid starch? Oh no. Then after that, just smoothen it on top. Don't mix it, just smoothen it. See, it's really like silky. That's not sticky, like it's just like smoothing it on everywhere of it. after you've done that, just like it's less sticky, believe me. See? But of course the glitter will come out, so yeah. Let's see this glitter. So just, it's not as sticky at the beginning. So yeah. Although this video is kind of a bit short, but sorry and simple, as me, some of you may know and most of you may know, but I think like I should do a video because, and then you wonder like when you drag it like that, because it's like still really sticky, don't worry in that, and when you poke it, it's not sticky. And what you do in consistency is just try to spread it out like, you know, like you always do, like out like that. Yeah, onto the table. It will help a lot. Then you put air freshener on top without liquid starch. Then I'll do it right now. So I put a little bit of air freshener in here and let's onto it. And now we're going to smoothen it out again. It's not enough. Anyway, just make sure it's enough to cover the whole thing. I'll be right back. So we are done, as you can see, and something not so sticky anymore. I feel it. So you can remove your fingers and nothing. See, it's an autofocus. And it's just so awesome and cool. Yeah. Just cool. Yeah, the glitter is sticky onto the countertop. I can clean right off. See? Now no troubles. So thank you for watching my video and please stay tuned for more. And please click the like button and subscribe. Bye bye guys.